And now I'd like to tell you about the ISTJ ESTP couple, the inspector and promoter. This couple's ability to give and receive constructive criticism without taking it personally is a major strength. As a couple, this pair shares a high degree of honesty and straightforwardness in their relationship. This pair consciously creates their existence by trusting their experiences and making decisions based on the likely outcomes of their actions. They usually communicate in a direct and clear manner, making their decisions jointly and on logical rather than emotional appeals. ISTJs tend to be attracted to their ESTP partner's joyous approach to what is and genuine love of the moment. ISTJs admire their partner's seemingly total immunity to the anxiety of change that we all feel. ESTPs admire their ISTJ partner's ability to earn the trust of others seemingly effortlessly. The responsibility, capability, and accountability displayed by their ISTJ partner all contribute to the attraction that ESTP feels. Because of their differences, there are many ways this pair can help one another grow. ISTJs help their ESTP partners develop a process for solving problems considering the likely consequences of various actions. They help their ESTP partners take their commitments more seriously and become more responsible. ESTPs help their ISTJ partners enjoy and explore life more. They add a sense of relaxation and self-care to their ISTJ partners' lives. Tips for reaching your ESTP partner. Participate in some of your partner's social activities. Encourage their participation when you choose not to attend. Be willing to drop what you are doing and engage with your partner just for the sake of doing it sometimes. Demonstrate your trust in your partner. Don't expect them to account for every moment of their time. Try to lighten your need for order and let some small imperfections of the environment go. Tips for reaching your ISTJ partner. Respect some of your partner's concerns about your impulsiveness. Listen particularly to the areas of safety and security. Respect your partner's routines and rituals. They are part of their success. Respect the plans you make with your partner. When you must make changes, give them plenty of notice. Don't put your partner on the spot publicly. If you liked the video, subscribe and comment. If you know of anything we need to look into, send us a message.